stop. Here we're gonna unbox the brand new Apple iPhone 3GS, brought to you by welovemacs.com. You're going to take out these two bottom screws to start. Suction cup here. Pull it off. Be very careful because it has a rubber seal around the outside is what keeps it suctioned in there. So I just used a regular suction cup to get that off. Now we're looking on the inside of a brand new 3GS iPhone. Unscrew the logic board here, screws. Keep those separate. I'm going to pop up number 4 to get to this screw here, and number 7 to get to this screw here. Remove these two screws here and this screw under number 4 and unplug number 7. I've removed this screw, and the sideways screw on number 6. Remove the AT&T card with a paper clip. Pull that out so you can get to the screw down here. Under number 7 cable, there's a sticker that says "Do not remove." Underneath that is an actual screw that you have to take out in order to get the logic board out. Just above the number 5, there's a cable here that just very gently just pop it off. After that, the logic board just removes. Plastic tool, just pry up underneath the battery gently until the adhesive releases it, and that's the whole battery. Take out the speaker assembly and microphone, and that's all one unit. This here is your antenna. So to take the chrome bezel off, it's pretty easy. That just snaps off with a couple screws here on the side here, and then that also removes the volume up button and the mute button. To get to the headphone jack, it also just comes off from here. It's glued down a little tiny bit here, but other than that, it's pretty easy to get on and off. And that's pretty much it for the back case. As far as the LCD, if you want to get into this deeper, you can replace just the glass by removing these screws here and getting into the thing a bit deeper and replacing either the glass, the LCD under it, or the glass with the digitizer, all from this piece here. And that's it. All this here is the new iPhone 3GS torn apart.